This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below.
Alright guys, I got another thing that came in from Value Testers. This will be in one of those backpack units. Get it out of the box here and we'll see what we got. Alright, so it's a Klein backpack tool bag type of thing. Mark from Value Testers sent me this thing, and he said it's a pretty good deal for the price, $89. It's got a nice rubber bottom on it. Klein tools. It says $89. It was a pretty good deal for. Oh yeah, look at all the stuff you can put in there. Yeah, look at all the room you got in there. This would be nice. Nice setup for the price. What we got here in the front? You got also something here in the front. Nice big pouch in the front here. You put your meter in here or whatever. What do we got up front here? Got some more storage in here with pouches. Let's get some more storage up front here. Nice setup for $89. I mean, this is probably what I should be using for my tools. It's got a nice back strap. I got the rubber bottom on it. It's got a thing here for your tape measure. Very nice. What do we got on this side? The zipper kind of goes down on an angle, so this thing can open way up. Got some more pockets here. It's got something for tape. Nice unit for the price. Oh yeah, $89. Now, I did get a email from Vito Pro Packs. That's what I'm running for a tool bag now, and they asked me if I wanted to do a review on anything, and I did pick out one of the backpacks from Vito, and they're going to be sending it to me. It's like $275 for it. But it's a pretty nice unit. Most guys do like those bags, but this is for the price of this Klein, $89. Check it out at Value Testers. They have them, and he's talking about doing a giveaway on one of these bags. So we're gonna get the information on that giveaway, and what you guys got to do is you got to go to Value Testers and sign up over there, and he'll do a random pick on all the people that sign up for it. He's going to give me more information. I'll let you guys know more about that in the near future. But yeah, I'm probably going to put my tools in this thing and run this thing for a while and see how I like it. I think it's going to be nice. Doesn't seem that heavy. Don't seem that. It seems like a nice unit for the price. The rubber bottom. Very nice, very nice. I think it's well worth the $89. I'll leave a link in the description of my videos. Value Testers. They're the guys that sent this. And if you guys are interested in any kind of tools, go check them guys out. Like I said, they're running a pretty good special on this thing, $89. I mean, it's well worth the money. And he's going to be doing a giveaway, like I said before. He's going to be doing a giveaway in the near future. Klein tools. Very nice. Designed in America, made in China.